Dear students, up to here, now you know what is truth table, what is logic gate, and what is Boolean algebra. Today I am telling you how to create a truth table of given any Boolean expression. Okay, so here you can see this type of question can maybe come sometimes in exam. Write the truth table and draw the logic gates of given Boolean function. So sometimes it uses equation, function or expression. So don't be confused with this Boolean function word. So you have to write truth table and you have to draw the logic gates of given these two expression. Okay, first I am taking the first expression, a dot b plus not, this is the complement of a, so a complement and b. So as I told you, for creating any truth table we have to write the combinations, possible combinations, and to take how you will get the possible combinations. There is a rule, and that rule is to the power n. So you can see here is two inputs, okay, a and b, only two inputs, and the base of any Boolean algebra is only two base, 0 and 1, which is binary expression. Okay, so therefore 2 the power 2 means equals to 4, means we have to create for two inputs here the 4 combinations. So how this combination will create? For that, these 4 combinations will divide by 2. So answer is 2, means 2 negatives and 2 positives. Okay, so these are total 4 possibilities. After that, for the second input, again we have to divide it by 2 is equals to 1. So means 1 inputs in 4 times, 1 possibilities. So we takes first is as negative, so 1, then 1 set, then again these are the 4 times possibilities but single inputs. Okay, now as in the questions is given, our first these a and b we got here, a and b possibilities we got here. Now we have to get the possibilities of not a, because we need a not a possibility. Okay, so for that, as in not logic, I have already told you that it is just opposite of positive. Okay, so if positive is this signal is 0, the negative will be opposite. Okay, so it is 0, so complement is positive. If it is negative, the complement is positive. So like this we got the a complement possibilities here. After that, the output of a and b, we need the combined output of a and b. For that, we can see here a and this is a and b, means the condition of AND gate is must be have the both inputs positive. So in first condition both positives though both inputs are negative, so output will be negative. In second condition, one is negative and another is positive, so again it will be negative. Same condition is in third step, and in the last you can see the both are positive, so output is positive. So like this we got the output of A and B. Okay, after that we need complement of A and B. So complement of A and B. So if anyone, because it need same condition and condition is same here, if both will be positive, the output will be positive. So you can see here the both are not positive, so output is negative. In the same, both are positive, so output will be positive. If both are negative, output will be negative, and if both are not here also the positive, so output is negative. Now we need the whole output. Whole of the output means A and B or not A and B. So how it will be take? Just tally A and B. A and B or, because it is or. Okay, or means the condition of or is if any one is positive, output will be positive. So you can see here both are negative, so it is negative. One is positive, so again one will be positive here. Okay, after that again both are negative, so it is negative, and at last one is positive, so output will be positive, because in or condition we know that if any one is positive we get the output will be positive. Okay, now see the logic gate of this equation or of this function. As I told you, this is two inputs, and in earlier I already shown you the gates, so you can recognize here this is the our AND gate. Okay, so here is two inputs, A input and B input. When these two inputs will pass through the AND gate, we will get the A and B. Is it clear? After that we need a complement, because in the equation is given A complement. So for that we have to take one circuit from A which will be not A. Okay, so second combination is not A and B. So this is not A and B. When these two will pass through the AND gate, we will get the A complement and B. After that these both will pass through the OR gate. So like this we will get A and B or not A and B. Okay, our next equation is A complement C, C complement and B complement and A. So you can see here is three inputs. Okay, so three inputs means how many combinations possibilities will be here? Let's check it. To the power n, because here the three inputs, so our power will be to the power 3, means total 8 possibilities. We have to create here total 4 possibilities. Okay, but how it will be divided in 8 part? So let's check it. It to be divided by 2, because I told you the 2 is the base of 0 and 1 binary, so it will be divided by 2. So total possibilities will be 4, means 4 negatives and 4 positives. So let's see here. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negatives and 4 positives. Okay. For the second input, again it will be divided by 2. So total 2 inputs, possibilities, means 2 negatives and 2 positives, but the whole will be 8 combinations. Okay, so after that the third is again divide it, we will got the 1 means 1 negative and 1 positive. Okay, so like this the 8 possibilities and combination we created here for 3 inputs. After that, according to this equation, we needed the 3 complements also of each inputs. So let's see the A negative, B negative and C negative. So these A, B and C, as I told you, all complements are outputs are just opposite of the original input. So if it is 0, the complement will be 1. If it is 1, the complement will be 0. So you can see here first 4 of A is 0. So definitely the complement of first 4 will be positive and last 4 will be negative. So this for B complement, because first 2 are negative, so first 2 will be positive, and like this we get complement of B. And in the C, because first is 0 and second is 1, so first is 1 and second is 0. So like this we got the A, B and C complements. Now what is our equation asking? Our equation is asking A negative and C. So we have to make here a new column for this output, means A negative and C. So because it is AND, means the both condition, the condition is same, AND condition is same. If both are the positive, output will be positive. So let's see in the first condition what is A negative and C. Okay, so A negative and C, let's check it. First combination, both are not positive, so output will be negative. In second, both are positive, you can see here the both are positive, so output will be positive. After that the same, both are not positive, so output will be negative. In this condition again we will get the positive output. After that both are negative, so negative. 1 is negative, so again negative. Both are negative, so negative, and last. So like this we got the A complement C. After that we have to create another column for C complement and B. Let's check it. C complement and B. C complement and B. So same AND condition. If the both are positive, output will be positive. So you can see here both are not positive, so output will be negative. So let's check it in second condition. Same, both are negative, so it is. And in third condition you can see the B is positive and the C complement is also positive, means we will get the positive output. After that let's see, in this it is positive but in complement it is negative, so output will be negative. Again let's check, this is B is negative and the C complement is positive, but output will be negative. And next B is negative and complement is also negative, so it will be negative. And in third, this is negative and complement is positive, but it will be negative. Okay, so like this we got one positive for C complement and B combination. After that our next is B negative and A. So let's write B negative and A. So let's check B negative and A. So if both will be positive, then we will get the positive output. So because both are not positive, so output will be 0. For second, we can see one is 0 and another is 0. So here again 0, this is also 0. Let's check 8 and B negative. So means this and this is positive, so our output will be positive. Again this and this is positive, so output will be positive. And because one is positive and another is negative, so output will be negative. So like this we got the complement AC, complement CB and complement BA. Now we will take the overall output, means A complement C plus C complement B plus B complement A. So you can see here these two are OR, means if any combination is 1, output will be 1. So you can see here it is 1, so it will be 1. This is a 1, so it will be 1. This is 1, so it will be 1. This is again 1, so it will be 1. This is 1, so it will be 1. These two are 0. So like this we got the output of this equation. Okay, now let's see the logic gate, how to draw the logic gate of this equation. So you can see here the 3 inputs A, B and C. So our first combination is A complement and C. So A complement means we need a negative circuit for A. So take a negative circuit here, and this line when passed through the NOT gate, we will get the NOT A. Okay, and NOT A and C, when these NOT A and C will pass through the AND gate, we will get this output NOT A and C. Same, second is NOT C and B. So let's see NOT C. So we have to take one NOT C connection from here. When this connection will pass through the NOT gate, we will get the NOT C. And when these two NOT C and B will pass through the AND gate, we will get complement of C and B, means NOT C and B. After that, let's see the last is B, NOT B and A. So let's check. One our circuit we will take here for NOT B, and we got here the NOT B, so NOT B and A. After that, when these 3 outputs will pass through the OR gate, we will get NOT AC, NOT B, NOT CB or NOT BA. So this is the logic gate of given equation. So like this, if any equation is coming, we have to create these like this, the truth table and the logic gate. Okay, thank you.